You're walking through an airport wearing these glasses, and suddenly it feels like the future just switched on. Your boarding gate pops up in front of your eyes. As soon as you step outside, directions guide you through the streets like a video game. Minutes before your meeting, a reminder calmly appears. And the craziest part? You never once touch your phone. No scrolling, no unlocking, no notifications pulling you out of the moment. This is what smart glasses are starting to feel like in 2025. And here, that's what most people don't realize. Yeah, it is not just one pair doing this. Right now, there are multiple smart glasses that are quietly doing what smartphones have failed to do for years, disappearing while still doing everything for you. These glasses can text, translate languages in real time, record hands-free, navigate cities, and even think alongside you using AI. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which pair makes the most sense for your life and which one could realistically replace your phone next. Let's start with the boldest one of them all, the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. These are already controversial, even banned in a few countries. And that controversy is exactly why they're such a big deal. Launched in late 2025, these are the first smart glasses that genuinely feel like a phone replacement instead of just an accessory. A full-color, high-resolution display is built directly into the lens, turning on only when you need it and vanishing when you don't. Messages, maps, notifications, even video calls, all floating naturally in your field of view. But matadin, T-stop at the display. The real sci-fi moment comes from the neuroband, a lightweight wristband that reads muscle signals. You pinch your fingers to select, swipe your thumb to scroll, and interact without touching the glasses at all. Add Meta AI into the mix, and suddenly you're translating foreign menus, learning about landmarks just by looking at them, and asking questions while walking with answers appearing right in front of you. It's not perfect. You still need your phone for setup and data, but once connected, around 70% of your daily phone usage simply disappears. At $799, they're expensive, but they're available right now, and they're a serious glimpse into a phone-free future. However, Meta made one big compromise, and the next pair fixes it in a way you will barely notice. That pair is the Holiday AI glasses. These were the quiet stars of CES 2025, and for good reason. They look completely normal. No bulky frames, no obvious tech vibe, no futuristic glow. The secret is an invisible micro-display that only appears when information is needed. When it's off, no one can tell you're wearing smart glasses at all. Holiday AI works proactively, learning your routine and showing the right info at the right moment. Flight details as you head to the airport. Directions when you step onto a new street. Reminders just before meetings. Control is handled through a smart ring instead of tapping the frames, making interactions silent and discreet. But the real standout feature is real-time translation. With support for over 89 languages, Holiday shows live subtitles as people speak, making conversations feel natural again. No phone, no awkward pauses. At $499, it's one of the most affordable and socially acceptable smart glasses you can buy. Still, none of this matters if the glasses aren't comfortable enough to wear all day, and that is where Rokid changes the game. These glasses weigh just 49 grams, lighter than most sunglasses, yet they're built specifically for travelers and global communication. Rokid's Dulai display enables real-time two-way translation. Someone speaks Japanese. You see. You reply in English. They hear Japanese. Instantly on top of that, you get a built-in camera, hands-free navigation, AI-powered meeting transcription, and up to 6 hours of battery life thanks to a power-efficient monochrome display. Rokid doesn't try to replace your phone completely. It replaces the parts that matter most when you're on the move. Now let us talk about a company that isn't just improving convenience, it is trying to redefine computing itself. Snap's upcoming spectacles are not accessories. They're full wearable computers with true, see-through augmented reality. Digital objects don't just float in front of you, they exist in the real world, locked in place as you move. Games, tutorials, collaboration, and 3D experiences all happen around you, running on Snap OS with advanced AI baked in. These glasses could be the first real alternative to smartphones. Not by copying them, but by doing something smarter. And finally, there's Apple. The company everyone is waiting for. Apple hasn't officially revealed its smart glasses yet, but leaks suggest transparent displays, next-gen, Siri, and deep ecosystem integration. Imagine getting a notification on your glasses, replying by voice, then sitting down at your Mac with the draft already waiting. Your watch becomes the controller, your AirPods handle spatial audio, and everything just works. If Apple nails this, smart glasses won't just be another gadget. They'll become the next primary interface. So the real question isn't whether smart glasses will replace smartphones. It's who you'll trust when they do. Would you actually leave your phone behind for a pair of glasses? Or do you think we're not there yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy exploring the future before it becomes normal, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because this shift is happening faster than anyone expected.